Because from the time of creation, you brought men and women to advance learning, increase knowledge, and prosper our future.
My assignment is to unveil this phenomenon. In doing this, I will wear it two hats. One, as an Igbo man. Second, as an academic with a touch of entrepreneurship development. For one of time, let's get into the work itself. You know that we're going to deal with a simple concept. Entrepreneurial Ruralism, the Igbo model. We accept that Igbo culture is positively and significantly related to what? Entrepreneurship. That Igbos are unique in addition to implicit politics. The initial approach is around the academy, media, and etc. This is intervention, self-preservation. The choice of my topic is Entrepreneurial Ruralism. But provoked by the fact that I found that the system is what to call as someone wants to answer. Our cooking system is not about money. It's not both Ibambo and Odubo. It's attributes. Our system is Igbo man mentor mentee relationship in business. It's a school of its own with 7 levels of test that embedded in it. I want to bring these 7 levels into the public domain for them to progress on the competition to know the expectations. And as a time they do. No. It's anchors of basic facts. We need to get in the record for what is put the Igbo man's entrepreneurship development in the right perspective. It's Igbo family system that the household in Igbo land is a creating ground on its own.